Welcome back to another cooking video. I hope you guys are all well. I'm sure you can see this sauce is so rich and it's my favorite Ghanaian chili sauce called Shito. And today I'm going to share this recipe with you and teach you how you can make this your delicious sauce called Shito. Coucou, bienvenue sur ma chaîne, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Aujourd'hui, je vais partager avec vous comment préparer du Shito, qui est une sauce pimentée ghanéenne que j'adore tellement. J'espère que vous allez super bien. Là, je vais vous montrer tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin pour préparer cette sauce. So guys, I'm going to show you all the ingredients we need to prepare this your delicious sauce. This is ground prawns, ground crayfish here, tomato puree, we have ginger, scotch bonnet, red onions, white onions, and 1 stock cube. So here are my chopped ingredients now, ready to go in the blender. Guys, the story behind this sauce, I like this sauce so much since I was in boarding school, because one of my friend used to bring it from Ghana and she can just put it on almost everything, and I've tried it and I love it. And since then I had to find a way to learn and make this sauce myself. When I came here in London, I met someone who became a friend that told me how to make this sauce. I kept asking her to make this sauce for me. One day I just asked her to teach me how to make it. That's how I learned to make this sauce. But of course, I'm going to add a little Togolese touch to it. I'm 1000% sure that you guys are going to love this. Didn't use water to blend this, but I use oil instead because I didn't want too much splash when I'm actually preparing the sauce. Using oil is the better option. Gonna help my Shito cook quicker because there will be also less water to help it cook quicker. I normally don't use lots of oil to cook, but to preserve this sauce, because this sauce is going to last me like 3 to 4 months, in order to preserve it I need more oil. Pour your oil in and heat it up for 3 to 5 minutes and start with the wet ingredients. Give it a nice stir. I'm cooking this for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll add my tomato puree. Laissez cuire pendant 15 à 20 minutes et ajoutez votre purée de tomates. Don't forget to turn the heat a little bit down. That will prevent the sauce from burning. Let's add our tomato puree in now. Notre purée de tomates. Just make sure you keep eye on it because you don't want it to burn. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So that's the crayfish, add the shrimp powder, and I'm going to keep stirring. Reduce the heat so it doesn't burn and take time whilst cooking it. You can barely see the oil now, so I'm going to add a little bit more But once it's cooked properly, you're going to see the oil on top once the shito is cooked properly. This looks so delicious. You can see the color has changed. That is the indication that your shito is almost ready. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm so happy that I shared this recipe, and I'm so sure that you're going to enjoy this sauce. I will put all the ingredients in the description box. And the game of this sauce is keep stirring, because you don't want it to burn, so you have to keep stirring and make sure your heat is low. Okay, let's check our shito. My Ghanaian fam out there, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. But I'm sure this sauce is calling your name. For those of you that don't know what shito is, please give it a try, and I'm sure you're going to thank me for it. You can have this sauce with almost everything: jollof rice, rice and beans, couscous. When you have pasta or noodles, you can add a tiny bit of it and you're going to love it. What I need is just a little bit of oil on top of it to preserve it, and that's it. Because I'm extremely careful with oil, you guys should know that by now. That's it. I'm sure you enjoy this sauce. Give this video a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Big shout out to Franklina, my Ghanaian sister that taught me how to make shito. Thank you. Subscribe if you like to see more cooking videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Ça va durer 5 à 6 mois comme ça pour moi. Donc je suis sûre que vous pouvez garder ça 4 à 5 ou même 6 mois comme ça. Ajoutez un peu d'huile seulement et c'est bon. Voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé la vidéo et vous ne voulez pas rater mes nouvelles recettes. Abonnez-vous et activez la cloche. À très bientôt. Au revoir.